Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a candy stash mushroom, full guide. Start by collecting 5mm and 10mm beads, elastic cord, a blunt needle, and small storage tubes for caps. Organize colors by shade and texture. Cut cords slightly longer than needed so you can finish secure knots comfortably. Lay out a simple pattern for the cap and stem, and keep a bead tray nearby to prevent spills while you work. Start the stem by threading 5mm beads onto your cord with even tension, leaving a small tail for tying. Aim for a tight column that supports the cap without collapsing, and check length against your planned cap size as you go. When you reach the desired stem length, tie a double knot, pull snugly, and add a tiny drop of clear glue to lock the knot without bulk or stiffness. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful craft guides for you. Quick recommendation. Life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice as a fun companion to your stash mushroom projects for fresh vibes on the go. I list that product and other deals in the description, so check there for details. Now let's get back to the video. Form the cap by arranging 10mm beads in concentric rings, increasing count on the lower rows to create a domed shape. Work row by row, tightening the cord to eliminate gaps and maintain curvature, and add contrasting beads for spots or highlights. When the cap is complete, join it to the stem with a reinforced loop and an inner spacer bead to keep alignment and prevent twisting during storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.